This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting straight to the power settings, no delays. Sign in with your controller, then open Settings, General, Power Mode, and Startup. Once there, change Power Mode to Instant On. This prevents the console from fully powering down between sessions. Make sure background downloads and updates are allowed so the system stays active. If you prefer energy savings, note that Instant On uses more power but stops auto shutdown. Once done, move to adjust sleep and energy options next. Now you refine the auto shutdown timer and keep the Xbox awake. In the same power mode and startup menu, set turn off after to never or choose a long timeout like 6 hours. Then check game and app settings for inactivity rules, disable any that force sleep when apps are idle. Also allow automatic updates and background downloads so the console registers activity. Make sure controller and network keep alive features are enabled because those background signals prevent finish by applying and validating your changes. Restart the console so settings take effect, then monitor for 30 to 60 minutes to confirm it stays on. If the Xbox still powers down, check system updates and install any pending firmware. Outdated firmware can re-enable auto off. Next, do a full power cycle. Hold the Xbox power button 10 seconds, unplug 30 seconds, plug back in, and restart. If problems persist, update controller firmware and test again. That often restores correct wake and keep alive behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.